Welcome guys to our new weekly recap. This is going to be a short video. Let's just take a quick overview of the setups we shared this week. We have mentioned many times here that basically the first week of the month we have many volatile events, many macroeconomical events that cause a lot of volatility in markets. So that's why we try to stay away from charts and we try to do our job in the first days, the first 2 or 3 days of the week. For instance, today was NFP, so you know that it's highly recommended to stay away from the charts on the first Friday of the month. So that's why it's gonna be a short video, but I think we can still share value in some setups we share with our community this week. Let me show you the first analysis, which was on NCD USD. Okay, the first one was NCD USD, but we anticipated this move. We anticipated this move, and I think there is some value in this setup and some value in the following explanation. So take notes if you want. First, this wasn't on the 31st, all right? May 31st. We talk about NCD USD. It was showing bullish momentum, and the pair, this pair reacted at this demand area. All right, so basically we anticipated the double top. All right, that was basically the idea behind the buy entry we share. But this is what I want to share with you today. The push was, well, the push is very compressed. That was the push, all right? And I'll show you the chart. There was a push, and this push was very compressed. So when we see this type of push or this type of impulses, price will retrace most of the time. And that's how you can anticipate double tops. So we did this. Let me show you the chart. So this was the demand area I was talking about in the daily analysis, and this analysis are shared with our community. This was the demand zone I was talking about, and see how price was compressing. I mean, this looks very choppy, and we have liquidity below this trend line, below this small trend line here, where I can connect this 2 weeks. So during the Asian session, we had this strong and violent retracement. And then what happened next? The price reversed. But what we can see is that during the whole push, during the whole imbalance, the price was, institutions were adding orders, and that's why we have this compression. So price needed to retrace, and that's exactly what happened. So we booked some profits when price created this new high, and after that, well, market retrace, taking out taking my order, taking the order out at break even, and after that, price, well, make the movement, made the exact same movement again, but we were able to make some profits out of this trade. And so that is exactly what we did on the 31st. After the explanation on our daily analysis channel, I shared the entry with the team, then moved to break even. Then we made some profits and booked some profits. So that was the first. That was one of the traits, one of the ideas we share inside our Discord. There was also another trade idea on Euro NCD. We had this very nice price action because see this strong imbalance, then small retracement, and then price broke this low, and we can see this consolidated trend. So the price was compressing towards the supply area. We had two supply areas. We had this one, and we had this one, and see what happened. See how it ended. it actually followed our projection. As you can see, the price was rejected from our supply area, and in the 5 minute time frame, and this is something we always mention, this is something we always do, and we reinforced that we always need to look for confirmations unless we have very strong departures. So this is what happens. See the break of a structure, we spot or we try to identify the supply area or the demand area responsible of breaking the low, or the demand area responsible of breaking the high, and that's where our entry should be. And that's why we have this this entry. And this is, if you follow, if you learn our way of trading. We have also shared many videos of supply and demand and how we trade, how we look for entries, and some concepts you need to know. So this was another setup, another projection that we share with our team that played out pretty good. And if you were not able to catch that snipe, that and if you were not able to catch that Euro NCD entry, we also have live streaming sessions during the week. See how our institute trader took the entry. He followed up on the same entry on the Euro NCD setup, and see he was able to catch this move during the live session. So he paid pretty good. He paid very nice, and that was basically our week. So we try to make, we try to make or we try to take our trades the first days of the week, because by the end of the week there are many fundamentals, there are many economic events that cause a lot of volatility in markets, and we try to avoid that specific wild market. So that was it for today. If you're interested in learning more, if you're interested in being part of our community, don't hesitate to contact us on Instagram or send us an email. All the information is in the description. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.